Hey, happy Tuesday. Y'all, for today's lunch, I got some egg rolls and some popcorn shrimp. What I had in the freezer, I put it in a toaster oven, so I bought this piece of foil from home so I could cook them. They kind of fell apart, but these are the egg rolls. I had got them at the Dollar General. The 3 come in here. Then this is the sauce I put in a bowl and warmed it up to be in the little thing. I don't know what I'm saving this for. Anyway, it's one of those days, y'all, where I need to go to the grocery store because I don't have no kind of lunch items. But I didn't make tuna fish like I said. This is just some cucumbers and tomatoes. Y'all know how I do. Oops. That's going to have a little sweet on it. Let me say my grace. Thank you, Jesus, for this food I'm about to receive. Nourish my body in Christ. Amen. And I just went and refilled my water up over there at the water cooler. Whew. I wanted a Coke Zero, but I'm not going to no store especially for no Coke Zeros. I need some other stuff too, but I'm not going to go to the grocery store till I come back. So I'm going to have to make it do what it do. This is the sauce that come in there. I think it's just sweet and sour sauce. Tastes good with the shrimp. Let's see how these taste. They all right. I think I could have left them in there a little while longer. They not as crispy. I don't know about these. You know, I like the chicken egg rolls they sell at Walmart. Anyway. So y'all, don't y'all hate when you talk to people and they always make excuses for stuff? They say they want to do something, and but this is the reason why they're not doing it. And so you make suggestions to them. They're asking you for suggestions. And you make suggestions to them, right? Oh, that water's good. But everything you suggest to them, well, no, I can't do this, but I want to do this. Then they throw God in it, you know, like you saying, well, you know, maybe God got me sitting down for a reason, or maybe it's not my time. If you're not going to have the courage to try to figure out an alternative, man, I put up something about this a while ago. Like if they told you the only way you could have water for your family was to dig a well, and you didn't have a shovel, right? I talked about this in one of my weekly words. And so little Johnny dad lived next door, got a shovel, got 2 shovels. But he basically told you that, you know, he'll let you borrow the shovel, but only till, you know, only till he finished digging a well for his family. But he ain't in no hurry because he has a water supply. So he's going out there, but he wants his shovel ready when he get ready for it, you know. So he ain't letting it go until he finished. But he going out there every now and then. You know, when he feel good and ready. 20 minutes a day, digging the shelf. Meanwhile, your family still need water, right? Yeah. So, you're seeing now that little Johnny Dad ain't in no hurry to get you his shovel. Meanwhile, you saying, what can I do? What can I do? You got your hands and you got spoons. You know, your family need water. Are you going to sit around and wait on who knows when the little Johnny Dad decides to let you use the shovel? Or are you going to say, I'm going to start right where I'm at with what I got? I'm going to find another way to provide the water my family needs. You know, I'm going to get out here with these spoons in my hands. Instead of saying, well, no, you know, these spoons, you know, I never will get what I need with these spoons. I never will. Baby, these are well with the spoons in my hand. But guess what? Your hands and those spoons can move dirt, just like the shovel can, just at a small amount and a slower pace. But while you waiting on Johnny, you get nothing done. And no for telling when you will. But while you out there with the spoon in your hands, you getting something done, working towards the goal to provide what you and your family need. So, I'm thinking, at some point, after you finish offering somebody, you know, alternatives, and they keep trying excuses with every alternative you offer them, you know, you finally just say to yourself, why am I wasting my time with this? Because you recognize it. This person don't want to do nothing. But have a conversation with you while they ain't doing nothing. And nothing is feasible for them to get to their goal that you're offering them as a suggestion. Because it's not the easiest mapped out way that they want. Do you do that in your own life? If it's not the easiest, the most direct way, have you ever noticed that sometimes, you know, you'll be traveling on the highway and it'll detour you? That happened on our last trip to Atlanta. Wasn't the ideal route that I wanted to go. But guess what? I took the detour. But you know where I ended up? In Atlanta, which was my plan. And that's what I don't think people see. That you might get detoured and you may have to go and take a longer route and jump over hurdles to get to your goal. But it's still manageable. So stop making excuses and get to it, basically. Anyway, yeah. This all just stemmed from a conversation I had last night called, I wish I could do this and I wish I could do that. And I'm like, you can do it. What's stopping you? Ain't nothing stopping you from doing that. You know? Like, I'm getting ready to go on this trip. And I told y'all, my knee been giving me the blues. And, you know, you're 49 years old. You don't want to be walking around with no cane. But I'd rather walk with that cane than fall my fat butt on the ground. Be trying to get up or hurt myself. You see what I'm saying? So guess what I'm going to do? I got my cane, my folding cane. I got it in my backpack. So if something happens and shit I need it, I can pull it out. I know I want to go and try to have as much enjoyable time as I can. So I'm going to do what I need to do. And it reminded me Oh no. Last cruise that I was on, there was this gentleman in a scooter. He wasn't a scooter the whole time. He would get up, move around. But you know what? We were at the thing. They were having a thing in the middle of the ship. One night, a DJ was out there playing music, and people were getting down on the floor dancing and doing their little, boogaloo and whatever they were gonna do. And he was up in one of the corners of one of the other floors, him and his wife. And I saw him up there. Then he got up 1 minute and did, but he got tired. He sat back down in his scooter, but he was still bopping and having him a good time in the scooter, right? And I said to my daughter then, this man is enjoying his life. He knows how to have fun. I said, that's going to be me. You find alternatives. You can't do like you used to do, or go like you used to do, but enjoy the life that you've given. So, don't let nothing hold you back. Is all I'm saying. Y'all, I'm no big fan though. I'm not gonna buy those again. But you can try them. Y'all let me know how y'all like them. If y'all had them. Maybe because they tore all up, I don't know. But you know what? It's just good. These are popcorn shrimp with the sweet and sour sauce that was in it. And y'all know, the cucumbers and tomatoes were off the chain. Delicious. Y'all get y'all some cucumbers for a snack. I ain't even put no salt and pepper on these today. They just were delicious. Refreshing. I like it like that. I like it like that. But anyway, well, y'all, I'm eating my little lunch. I don't even think y'all saw the food, except me sticking it in my mouth. But kind of just want to come on and chitter chatter with you while I ate. I hope you're having a fantabulous day. And I will talk to you later, Gator. After a while, Crocodile. On and off. On and off. You know, you love. I love you, but God loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Bye.